जय श्री राम। आई एम नरेंद्र मोदी सर का फैन एंड बीजेपी कार्यकर्ता हूँ। The USA Prime Minister Joe Biden and President Donald Trump sir, please establish America world famous medical equipment manufacturing unit in India. India don't have America medical device peripherals manufacturing unit. Please establish America medical equipment manufacturing unit in India. The America medical device companies are medical equipment manufacturing companies are Medtronic PLC established in India. Please establish India. Johnson and Johnson company also please establish in India. Cardinal Health Inc. company also manufacturing unit please establish in India. Abbott Laboratories please establish manufacturing unit in India. Siemens AG also established in India. Stryker Corporation medical equipment manufacturing unit please establish in India. General Electric company also medical equipment unit please establish in India. Baxter International Inc. Please establish in India. 3M company also established in India. Boston Scientific Corporation medical equipment company please establish in India. Becton Dickinson company also established in India. America very famous to manufacture medical equipment peripherals. India don't have that much manufacturing unit medical peripherals. Please establish America world famous medical equipment medical equipment peripherals manufacturing unit in India. Those companies are America Medtronic, Pick, Johnson and Johnson, Abbott Laboratories, General Electric company established in India. Becton Dickinson company also established in India. Cardinal Health Inc. also established in India. Stryker Corporation also established in India. Baxter International Inc. also established in India. Boston Scientific Corporation also established in India. Zimmer Bowmet Holding Inc. also established in India. 3M company also established in India. Dancher Corporation also established in India. Intuitive Surgical Inc. also established in India. Hologic Inc. also established in India. Hillron Holding Inc. also established in India. Ervista Holding Corporation also established in India. Gintes AB Sweden please established in India. Redmed Inc. also established in India. The Copper company also established in India. Teleflex Incorporated medical equipment company medical equipment peripherals company established in India. Allen Technologies also established in India. These are famous world famous America medical device companies. Donald Trump sir and Joe Biden, USA Prime Minister Joe Biden sir, please establish America USA medical equipment manufacturing unit in India. India and America very good relationship. 70 years relationship between India and America. And our Prime Minister Narendra Modi sir also wants to make USA medical equipment companies make in India. Joe Biden sir, America Prime Minister Joe Biden sir and Donald Trump sir, please establish America medical companies medical equipment peripherals manufacturing unit in India. Thank you.